Hi, Rich and Nico, our little homestead, and today, guess what we're doing? We're gonna do some hair restoration.
So I went to the salon to get a haircut and a hair color, and don't come at me, Brad Mondo. I went to the salon, and this is what they did to me. It is not supposed to be this color. So I'm gonna try a recipe that I found online to take the red out and the pink and whatever that is, and we'll see if it works.
So what's the recipe?
So you're supposed to mix together, I found a bunch of different recipes, but this one seemed to work the best. Equal parts of Dawn dish soap, purple shampoo, any kind of purple shampoo, baking soda, and a 10 or 20 volume developer. And then you put it in your hair, and it's supposed to take the red dye out, so let's hope.
Here's where we're at.
Well, I noticed a difference, but...
Yeah, I mean, it's starting to change ever so slightly, but we've only had it on there for what, a couple minutes?
Mm-hmm. Okay, so we put the bag on to keep the heat in, because apparently that's supposed to help it work better.
It's been 10 minutes.
It's been 10 minutes. I think that it might be out of the blonde. The red looks brownish, maybe. It's really hard to tell with that blonde though. I can live with brownish. I'm gonna leave it on 10 more. And then we'll come back. I may end up with gray and brown hair. Okay, it's been about a half an hour. I don't really see any difference in the red. I mean, not really.
Just getting a lot of your... Let's see.
I think that the blonde might be.
No, there isn't a whole hell of a lot of difference, is there?
I mean, I can't really tell just by wiping it, but. Alright, so I rinsed it out and it's green and blonde. It definitely faded out the red somewhat. It's super coppery now, but it did take it out of my blonde, but it is definitely blue-green. So I guess I'll see what it looks like after I dry it. So I'm gonna call it a win. I got all the color out of my blonde. It's back. The back, nothing I can do about the bad cut till it grows out. The roots definitely lightened up from what they were. They were so dark. It's still dark here, but I'm gonna say it's probably 3-4 shades lighter. But all the pink came out of the blonde. It's still got like a greenish cast to it, but that purple shampoo, it's temporary. Hopefully it'll just wash out. I'm gonna call it a win. Thanks, YouTube.
Until next time, be good to one another.